judge is taking a lot of heat for sentencing the former Stanford swimmer to 6 months in the county jail. A jury found the swimmer guilty of sexually assaulting a woman after a fraternity party. Well, tonight, this is adding to the outrage. The student's father told the judge that his son's life has been deeply altered forever and called the sentence, quote, a steep price to pay for 20 minutes of action out of his 20-plus years of life. Now, the dad later backtracked a bit, saying his words were taken out of context and that he didn't mean action as sexual activity. And now the victim has something to say about it all. Here's KPIX 5's Devin Fehley.
The backlash has been blistering. The court of public opinion outraged. Their anger amplified and spread on social media, with one blogger even promising Brock Turner, "We're going to put you in a new kind of jail, splatter your name and face across social media, and make sure the world knows you're not a good guy." The social media firestorm was sparked by the release of the letter the victim read to the court before Turner was sentenced to just 6 months in county jail.
Her voice is finally being heard, but the fact that there was such a light sentence has kind of ignited this movement.
Judge Aaron Persky, who handed down the sentence, has also come under fire. While he is running unopposed in tomorrow's election and therefore guaranteed another 6 years on the bench, more than 100,000 people have already signed an online petition demanding that he be recalled.
It's not unusual for people to be either happy with the judge's decision or unhappy. And indeed, in most cases, one half are going to be very happy and the other half are not going to be happy. No judge should ever make a decision geared to getting that judge public approval.
Turner isn't without his supporters. A since-deleted Facebook page claimed that the true lesson of the case was about promiscuity and binge drinking. And while the victim's story has reached millions, she has chosen for now to remain anonymous, releasing a statement through the DA's office saying, "All of these people are fighting for someone they don't know. That's the beauty of it. I don't need labels or categories to prove I am worthy of respect, to prove I should be listened to." In San Jose, Devin Fehley, KPIX 5.